Rolling Doggies.
I got this package from Kiwi Company. This is the solar spinner, and let's see it. Oh, the picture says I need this, and at the green pole I need to line this pole in the middle, and I also need a screw. I need a screw. Which way? That way or that way? Nice and tight. This could spin. Here, look at. Mommy, look at.
How many continents are there on Earth?
8, 7, 6, 5,
You
4,
know.
7. Okay. Hey, look at now. I'm 5, and it took me.
Hold it up and show the camera.
Please like and subscribe. I think it's gonna be silly.